In this lecture, we are going to study basic properties of fluids. So first we have to see what is fluid. The substance which is capable of flowing is called as fluid. So examples of fluid are liquids and gases. In liquids, water, petrol, diesel, different oils, etc. And in gases, air, carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Those are the examples. So now we have to see what is fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is the branch of science which deals with behavior of fluid or study of fluid, that is liquid or gases, at rest as well as in motion. So fluid mechanics is the branch of science which deals with behavior of fluid, liquids or gases at rest motion, at rest position as well as in motion. So there are three branches of fluid mechanics. First one is statics, second is fluid kinematics, and third is fluid dynamics. Fluid statics is the branch of fluid mechanics which deals with study of fluid at rest position. And fluid kinematics. The fluid kinematics is the branch of science or branch of fluid mechanics which deals with study of fluid in motion in which pressure forces are not considered. And fluid dynamics is the branch of fluid mechanics which deals with study of fluid in motion in which pressure forces are considered. So the difference between fluid kinematics and fluid dynamics is that in fluid kinematics, fluid is in motion and pressure forces are not considered. And in fluid dynamics, fluid in motion but pressure forces are considered. And in statics, fluid is at rest position. Now we are going to see different properties of fluid. So first property is density or mass density. What is density? So density is defined as ratio of mass of the fluid to its volume. So mass upon volume is called as density. So mass per unit volume of fluid is called as density, and it is denoted by symbol rho. It is Greek symbol rho. So SI unit is kg per meter cube. The SI unit of mass density or density is kg per meter cube, as mass up, it is the ratio of mass upon volume. The density of fluid is considered as constant, and density of gases changes with the variation of pressure and temperature. So mass density can be written as rho is equal to mass of the fluid upon volume of the fluid. So the value of density for water is 1 gram per centimeter cube or 1000 kg per meter cube. So mass density is mass of the fluid to its volume. Second property is specific weight or weight density, which is denoted by small w. So specific weight or weight density is defined as the ratio of weight of the fluid to its volume. So weight per unit volume is also called as weight density, and it is denoted by symbol small w. So small w is given as weight of the fluid to its volume. So what is weight? Weight is nothing but mass into acceleration. So mass of the fluid into g, acceleration due to gravity, upon volume of the fluid. But we know that mass upon volume is rho and remaining is g. So rho into g. So w is equal to rho into g or rho g. As mass of the fluid to the volume of fluid is the mass density or density, which is denoted by rho. The value of specific weight or weight density W for water, small w is equal to rho g. So 1000 into 9.81 Newton per meter cube. This is SI unit. So specific weight or weight density small w is defined as ratio of weight of the fluid to its volume. Now next property is specific volume. So how to define specific volume? See here, it is defined as ratio of weight density of fluid or weight density of fluid per unit mass of the fluid. So specific volume is defined as it is the ratio of volume of the fluid per unit mass of the fluid, that is it is the reciprocal of mass density. So specific volume equal to volume of the fluid divided by mass of the fluid. So 1 upon mass of the fluid divided by volume of the fluid, that is equal to 1 upon rho, is specific volume. So specific volume is the reciprocal of mass density. So SI unit of mass density is meter cube per kg. So this is specific volume. How to define specific volume? Specific volume is defined as ratio of volume of fluid to its mass of the fluid or unit mass of the fluid. So now we have to see what is specific gravity. So specific gravity is denoted by capital S. It is defined as the ratio of weight density or density of fluid to the standard fluid. So it is also called as relative density. In case of liquids, the standard fluid is taken as water, and in case of gases, the standard fluid is taken as air. Once again, see the definition. It is defined as ratio of weight density or density of fluid to the weight density or density of standard fluid. So it is the ratio of density upon density. So it is unitless quantity. See here, specific gravity for liquids is given as weight density of liquid divided by weight density or density of water. This is formula for liquid. And for gases, S equal to weight density of given gas divided by weight density of standard gas. Standard gas is air. So S for gas is equal to weight density or density of gas divided by weight density or density of air. So weight density of a liquid equal to specific gravity into weight density of water. If specific gravity and weight density is known, or weight density of water and specific gravity of that liquid is known, we can calculate density of the given liquid. So, and density of liquid is equal to S into density of water, equal to S into 1000. So S for mercury or specific gravity of mercury is 13.6. So density for mercury will be 13.6 into 1000. So this will be the value of density for mercury. So specific gravity is defined as the ratio of weight density of fluid or weight density of given fluid to the weight density of standard fluid. For liquids, standard fluid is water, and for gases, standard fluid is air. As specific gravity is the ratio of same quantities, it has no unit. Now we are going to see problem based on all those properties. See here, calculate specific weight, density and specific gravity for 1 liter of liquid which weighs 7 Newton. So weight is given here 7 Newton and volume is given as 1 liter. So what we have to do, first write down the given quantities here. So volume, write down volume here. Volume is equal to 1 liter. So convert liter into meter. So 1 upon 1000 meter cube is the volume. So weight is 7 Newton. So this is in SI unit. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate specific weight. Specific weight, small w is equal to weight upon volume of the fluid. So weight is 7 and volume is given 1 upon 1000. So the specific weight is equal to 7000 Newton per meter cube. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate density rho. So we know that density rho is given by small w upon g. So small w value is obtained in first point. Write down the value of g, 9.81. 9.81 is the value of acceleration due to gravity. The answer will come 713.5 kg per meter cube. As w is equal to rho g, we can use this formula, rho is equal to w upon g. So now we have to calculate specific gravity. Specific gravity is given by capital S is equal to density of liquid upon density of water. Or we can use formula weight density also. So here density, what we have to calculate? Specific gravity. So density, we know the density of given liquid and we already know density of water. So density of given liquid is 713.5 and density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. So specific gravity for given liquid is S is equal to 0.7135. Now see the second problem. Calculate density, specific weight and weight of 1 liter of petrol of specific gravity 0.7. Here what is given? Petrol with weight of 1 liter and specific gravity 0.7. What we have to calculate? We have to first calculate density, then specific weight small w and weight is capital W. So first of all write down the given quantities. Here volume is equal to 1 liter, so convert it into meter cube. So 0.001 meter cube. Specific gravity S is equal to 0.7. So now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate density. So density of fluid or petrol equal to S into density of water. Here S for petrol is 0.7 and density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. So rho is equal to 700 kg per meter cube. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate specific weight. How to calculate specific weight? So small w is equal to rho g. Already we know value of rho, that is density of petrol, and value of g is 9.81. So small w, that is specific weight, is equal to 6867 Newton per meter cube. So this is the value for specific weight. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate weight of the fluid. How to calculate weight? So specific weight is equal to, or definition of specific weight is weight of the fluid to the volume of the fluid. So specific weight small w is known to us, volume is known to us. So what we have to do? Use the formula of specific weight small w is equal to weight, that is capital W upon volume. Put the value of specific weight as 6867 and volume 0.001, and from this we are able to calculate capital W. So 6867 into 0.001, so value of W will be 6.867 Newton. In this lecture we have seen fluid, or what is fluid, fluid mechanics, branches of fluid mechanics. First one is fluid statics, fluid kinematics and fluid dynamics, and basic properties of fluid, that is mass density or density, which is denoted by rho, specific weight or weight density, that is small w, specific volume, specific gravity capital S, and numerical on those properties. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to channel TechnoSouls Creation and stay tuned for more interesting updates and more lectures. Thank you. Have a great time.